What's going on YouTube? I'm back with another banger. So as you guys can see on the bio, I got a 1987 Monte Carlo SST top. I'll be installing some speaker pods that I actually got from Artie, right? He's in the city of Pomona, California. You can find him on Instagram under Art G Tycoon 87. ARTGTYCOON 87. I wanted to make sure I got that perfect. I wrote it down and I wanted to make sure I said it right. So I'm pretty content. Not just content. I'm happy with these speaker pods. You know what I'm saying? I got them at a good deal. You can speak to him yourself. Like I said, that is his Instagram. I'm not content. I don't know why I even said it like that. I'm happy with him. I like him. Because first I ended up getting the kick panels, right? They're very common on OfferUp, eBay. I got the speaker pods, right? I mean, the speaker pods. Yeah, the kick panel speaker pods, you could say. And I just didn't like how it was in the way of my e-brake. So I wasn't sure what route I wanted to go. Right? There was a few options. There was a center console one. Also, I don't want to do I don't want to do all that extra stuff. So anyways, I ended up getting the speaker pods on the door panel. So let me just show you guys a little bit of clip, a little clip of where I'm at right now. I actually got started on the speaker install already because I had to run the wire through the chingas by that rubber piece. I forgot what it's called. It's by the door, in between the body and the door, where all the wires go through. You guys know. So I wanted to make sure. I already ran out of the wire. As a matter of fact, let me just show you guys right now. So there you guys have it. As you guys can see, ran the wires through that rubber piece. One's for the tweeter, one's for the speaker. I got the Halo 11-inch. Pretty excited with my pretty happy with my my setup, guys. Like I said, I don't want to get the center console because I could have went that route and had speakers coming out, one over here, one over there. But then if I get started on some custom stuff, I'm gonna want to go all out. In this build, I do not want to go all out. Just want to keep it as original as possible. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, I'll show you guys what speakers I got. I got the Hertz, the Pros, MPs. You feel me? I'm sure you guys know I'm sure you guys know how they look, how the door panels look original without no custom stuff. Like I said, I don't want to go all out, even on door panels. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I went through the white, you know what I'm saying? I did it right. So for those that know, I'm working on this car. I'm working on this car. I'm also doing the LS3 swap. You know what I'm saying? 6.2 liter. I'm gonna get started on that. I think I'll save that for another video. But yes. So I just want to make sure I show you guys and keep you updated on the little builds I do. I did not do no video on the Halo 11-inch, but oh well. Anyways, yeah, pretty excited. Let me just throw in these door panels and go from there. Alrighty, guys, door panels are installed. Let me show you guys the aftermath. None major. He also has a trim right here that kind of looks like the grill, but I don't want to put that. I just want to keep the carpet and make it look OEM, because if I also put the freaking grill, knowing myself, I'm gonna want to also do this with the grill. And like I mentioned, I want to keep it as OEM as possible. some speaker pods is probably the most I'll do. Also, you know, like I said, I got the Halo. Can't go wrong with 11-inch. Yeah, man, I like the how they look, man. Got the tweed in there. Got the, you know, the hurt. Yeah, I was very close to getting that grill, getting rid of that carpet, but yeah, I would have went all out with that, you know, in the back. So I like it, guys, very much. Like I said, I had the kick panels, speakers, sold those. Luckily, they bought them. And yeah, man, the thing that was bothering me is that, you feel me? Now I could, let me see. Oh man, no problem at all. Trying to focus. But that speaker, look, it's not in the way at all, dude. Usually when you're driving, you know what I mean? Look. Bam, e-brake works. You feel me? E-brake works, not in the way. I can rest my foot right here with no problem. Man, big difference. For those that are gonna do the speaker pods on the foot right here, on the right here where you rest your foot. I forgot what it's called. See, I'm over here, you know, forgetting stuff. But anyways, for those that are gonna get the speakers right there where your foot goes, don't do it. I wouldn't suggest it. Go with the door panel. I highly suggest that. Look, bam, no problem at all. Got the nice 11-inch. The kick panel, there you go. The speaker pod kick panel. Don't do it, guys. Do not do it. Go with the freaking door panel. They have them in 2 speakers too, right? But for those that know, nah, that's good enough. These speakers cost $500 for these Hertz. I'm good with just one speaker on that. You know, I don't want to add another one. But yeah, I'm very content. I don't care. I'll say content. I'm happy. Happy, content, whatever you want to call it. I'm very satisfied. Definitely. Yes, and I put these back on. I love it, man. Definitely. Yes. To me, this is good enough. Very good enough. Once again, guys, hit up Artie if you guys have any questions or on prices. But that looks nice. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be dropping more content, especially this Monte Carlo. So once again, hit up Artie if you guys have any questions on prices and all that. He's pretty fast. I took him the door panels a week ago, and I picked them up today. So, you know, he's pretty good on how fast he gets it done. So I'm gonna end this video with a deuces. Catch you on the next one.